They showed us how to feel hate, also how to murder each other. Now that we're rebelling with no weight, we're gonna get our freedom and return to our mothers. Will they hear me in this? All covered in profession? Or hear me in this? Don't matter because they're begging for regression. It's a cycle but a very big circle. They're making us fight again. Crips and blood, let's make the color purple to seek for our peace and revenge. They mentioned that we're animals and savages. 3/5 of a human like a math problem. Who to blame for America's damages? We're falling like leaves in autumn. Black is the key of success, making a president's home. We gave so much to receive less, just to be the same level as gnomes. They're playing the guitar, the ones we invented. We don't do music only behind bars, because that's what they mention. Stevie Wonder says sleepers stop sleeping. That's what we've been doing. Now that we're awake, we're reaching, we're hungry for it, we're chewing. The tears we shatter is very normal. Black lives matter.
Yes, they do.
Sadly, though, matters to most. Everyone is down on one knee with a mighty black fist. We're gonna continue to breathe and live the freedom we welcome in a kiss.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hey, come on in.
That was beautiful.
That was awesome. That was awesome.